Hello friends, and thank you so much for stopping by the channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing my very last summer pattern haul for 2022 featuring the McCall's summer patterns that were recently released. So if you would like to see what I picked up, please continue to watch. Hello friends, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. My name is Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and if you're new to the channel, I welcome you and I hope you consider subscribing, and thank you to all of my returning subscribers for coming back and for your continued support. So yes, today I am sharing my last summer pattern haul, meaning the last pattern haul that I will be picking up summer patterns for 2022. And this pattern haul features the McCall's patterns that were recently released. I had not had a chance to pick those patterns up yet because they have not been on sale since they've been stocked in my Joann stores. And I'm definitely not picking up these patterns without a sale. But I believe this is the last day because this past week, Thursday through Sunday, there was a pattern sale. And so I decided to go ahead and pick up the patterns that I wanted. Now, I will say there are not a lot. I know a lot of people have made videos and kind of discussed the new McCall's summer line for 2022 and, you know, what they put out, you know, the different patterns and things like that. And so I'm not going to go off and real deep into my thoughts and reflections about the line, but I will tell you, I didn't pick up a lot of patterns. A lot of it for me, it was just not my taste. I don't think they were like bad, but just not like, I shouldn't say my taste. They weren't my style. They're not, a lot of it was just not what I want to put on my body. I did pick up one pattern though that goes against my current style and what I am comfortable with, and I'll tell you why later. But yes, so this video won't be very long because of that. And honestly, I was gonna post this video later in the week versus now because I really wanted to reveal my birthday dress for the video today, but I didn't have everything together. I was down, you know, a couple of weeks ago and was sick, and now my children are sick, and so I've just kind of been, you know, trying to take care of the family, getting the family together, and I wanted to present that dress in the way that I really wanted to present it and not just kind of put up a video, you know, just like normal. So anyway, I will be sharing that soon, hopefully next Sunday. So yes, please stay tuned and I will go ahead and show you which patterns I picked up. So for the first pattern I picked up McCall's 8313. I really like this pattern, and if you've been following me for some time, you know that I am a fan of jumpsuits. I picked up this pattern for view B and view C mostly, but I do like all of the views. The pattern description is Mrs. Rumpers and Jumpers, and the fabric suggestions are going to be your gauze, stable knits, chalets, and crepes. So here are your line drawings in the back. And I really think that the design feature for view B with the lace on the sleeves and on the bottom of the legs are really neat. I do like the idea of the elastic at the bottom of the legs on view C. That's just not a view that I plan on making right away, but yes, really loving this pattern. I will say that this pattern runs pretty big because the extra small gives you a bust of 46, and I have a 46.5 bust, which means I would probably go for a size small, which gives you a bust of 48, and those are the finished garments. I was not super confident in that, so I did pick up both pattern sizes just in case, and I will probably make a muslin just to kind of make sure that everything goes okay. But yes, I'm really loving this pattern. I am going on vacation in a couple of weeks, so I think I'm going to try to go ahead and squeeze this make in for that vacation. Then I picked up McCall's 8325. This is a level 3 learn to sew. I do really like this pattern. I think the top is super cute. It's very forgiving, very flowy. I love the little sleeves that the model is wearing. And I love the sleeves on view C. That is kind of gives you that gathering, and it's done by using bias tape, so I really like that feature. I don't plan to make this right away, but the reason why I picked it up because it is easy to sew, and I like to pick up all of the McCall's Learn to Sews patterns. I just think they're nice palette cleansers when you're coming off of a harder project. The palette cleansing type of patterns help me to not lose my sojo, so I always pick these up and kind of pick from one just to make something simple to kind of keep me rolling when I've, like I said, come off of a difficult task. So that is why I picked this up. But like, again, I do like views A and C, but yes, I'm not really sure if I will make view B. However, like I said, I picked it up for view A and C. I don't know that I would be making it anytime soon, but I do like those views, and you will see them. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the suggested fabrics are going to be your lawns, cotton blends, chalets, and your dotted Swiss. Then I picked up McCall's 8314. The description for this is Mrs. Jumpsuit's romper and sash. Of course, it's a jumpsuit, so I had to pick it up. Now I know this pattern looks a little different. It's, you know, not like your typical jumpsuit. There's a lot of fabric that looks kind of webbed underneath the arms, but I am so here for it, and I feel like I can rock it, and I am definitely going to be making this. I do feel like this is a pattern that could be worn in the fall, not the romper obviously, but the two jumpsuit options, views B and C. I do like view B the most because I like how the pants are just looks normal, and view C has the elastic around the legs. So with this style, I don't know that I would like that, so I would probably only make view B, but I do think it's cute, and like I said, I know it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but I like it, and I'm going to make that. So here are your line drawings in the back, and the suggested fabrics are going to be your crepes, staple knits, chalets, and gauze. So yeah, I was definitely excited when I saw this pattern come out because it is different and it is a jumpsuit, and again, I will be making that up soon. Then I picked up McCall's 8321. I really think that this pattern is cute. It does look super summery by view A and view B, and I do like those views for the summertime, but I picked it up because, you know, like I said, you know, we're heading into fall, and I like view C. Like I said, I like the other views, but my focus is for view C because I can definitely make that for fall. I really like the tiers. I like how there looks like there's elastic in the neckline and then elastic for the sleeves for view C. Here are the line drawings for the dress, and the description, I should have told you by now, is Mrs. Dresses. But the thing that I like about this pattern is for the back views, there's a back opening that's super cute. I don't do a lot of back openings because of how wide my bra is in the back, and I don't really like to have to accommodate for that, but the opening is small enough to where I can wear a flesh tone cami underneath and it will look natural. So your fabric suggestions are going to be your batiks, cotton blend, satins, and linen. So yes, very, very cute dress, and I also think it could be worn as like a lounge dress as well. And then I picked up McCall's 8331, and this is the dress that I told you that I know I won't be making anytime soon, but I picked it up anyway. So the reason why I won't be making this anytime soon is because this is currently not my style. This is currently not the type of dresses that I am wearing. It's not that it's a bad style, it's just not something that I am comfortable wearing, you know, due to how I feel, you know, exposing my skin and just the cutouts and things like that. However, I am on a mission to lose 30 pounds. So I purchased this because I said if I lose my 30 pounds, I am going to make this dress and I'm going to try to rock it. So I picked this up now. It's kind of like setting a goal so that if I do reach my weight loss goal of 30 pounds, I will go ahead and make this up to see how I look in it. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the fabric suggestions are going to be your two-way stretch knits such as jersey, interlock, and velvet. And when I do make this, I will make view B, which is what the model is wearing, and that is because it covers the most. This is the view on this pattern is going to cover the most on your body, and that is what I feel most comfortable with. So yes, that is all for this pattern haul, which is the very last pattern haul in 2022 that will feature any summer patterns. I am ready to move on to the fall, and I'm sure everyone else is too. So I just thought I will go ahead and share that and get it out of the way. And let me know in the comment section below which pattern is your favorite or which one you like most. I know I didn't pick up many, but you know, if I'm not going to do anything with it, what's the point of getting it, right? Well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for coming back and for your continued support. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the gray notification bell so that you can be notified of future videos. Definitely give me that like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!